Igbo ndị mana ege m ntị ekenekwa mụ na ala ndekwana m ka nsị abịa sị na after a stressful day after a busy stressful day ka m zuo ike. Ndị okwu na-agagharị n'ịntanetị ekwere m ka m zuo ike ka a na-afụ nke aka ọzọ na-apụta gịnị na-akpọtụkwa na mgbede a. So this evening while I was scrolling through the street of social media wedapụta ebe m for video asị na nwanne anyị nwoke na-suggest and I quote that an Enugu State Government should come and give official report. Now it is not a good thing na mmadụ bịa reach agreement with the government because stadium bụ nke government and they reach agreement with the government so we are using this place so and so that enye approval for it akwụọ ụgwọ. Then after setup and after all said and done abịakwa gbachie the stadium. So somebody in top power close to the government that works in the government bịa sị na unu buru program unu jebe na nke fada ọkụ na-erede, which means that he knows something. Before you bido your comment of hate and everything, because pay attention ka nkwucha. So abịa na drag that thing ihe na-abịa me last week drag ndị a na-asị n'ọnya I don't know video enwebere onye si gị na ndị meriting gọọmenti apụta bebe kwuo okwu. So this our brother when I suggest okay ebe gọọmenti na-apụta bebe kwuo okwu that it will be better that na again na legal team of Zion ministry meditate legally so that ka ya question na government ka ha kwuzie how far na ghọta ka ha kwuo how far ka ha malụ na onye ziri unu onye nyere order nwana. So by the time meditate legally ka onye ọbụla malụ ebe ọkwụ akwụ ana m nwa nsikwa na ọ dịkwa mma at least it will hasten the investigation ka amala ndị aka ha dị na the thing because na a na-atụ onye aka dị ndụ bido ọbụkwa na ọ bụrụ onye a na-atụ aka what next. For ndị na-asị na Ebuka Obi na-afụ ụzọ na ọ kwesịrị ka Chukwu nna gosi ihe niile na-eme na nke anụnwa nke ọzọ and I ask again Ebuka Obi Chukwu gosi edeti na ọbịbịa kwuo ya will you also believe it? Ya say no fake no for ya no for oboro onye agwalịa. So in order for us not to be confused, let us make the matter again legally, because we have to be sincere to ourselves. Open up that God showed me unu ya say na oboro Chukwu gwalịa no ko si video propaganda nke but no problem because let us also make gịnị mala nke na-eme then onye na-accuse wrongly ọbụ na fada Mbaka nwanne Chukwu ya egosikwu na asị oke nna enere ihe mere no ọpụtakwana si oke God showed me si na ọbụrụkwa onye nyanwuru na-atụ aka karitin nekwa onye Chukwu gwara ya meriting that investigation should be done. I believe the both parties will understand themselves and they say put to go mu okwu aka isi wee dịla onye ọbụla na mma mana nene this video kenu ihe nwanne ya nwoke kwu ka ọ dịkwa.
If the Enugu State Government refuse to come out and address this nonsense that happened to Zion Ministry last weekend in Enugu, ministry legal team to take them to court. You see all these people that are involved in receiving payment for the stadium, signing the approval letter for them to go ahead and make use of the stadium. And the end of the day, at the D-day of the event, they locked the gate up, saying that an order came from higher authority at the dying minute, making people to force their way in. Some are jumping fence, some are risking their life, especially mothers. I saw them trying to climb the fence, climb the gate. And they are still doing it like kahapia. The next thing they are trying to switch. It's what they arrange. Nothing like that ever happened. That is the reason why I love this country where I am. If this nonsense were to happen here in Canada, someone pays close to $60,000 and has been announcing the date of his event. It took him almost 2 weeks to set up the stage, set up everything. And you guys are fully aware. And the D-day of the event, you guys locked the gate and said that an order came that they shouldn't use that stadium, forcing people to risk their life trying to go in there. Omo, if we are to be here in Canada, you go pay tire. Okay, for a go Chinyere Udomago, Iga Kugidogo, Iga Kugidogo, no, Arabawage, or this type of situation. That here in Canada, someone tried to hire your event center and pays thousands of dollars and has been announcing these things, and you gave the person an approval to make use of this particular event center. And these people have been announcing it for months. You guys never thought, okay, no, I don't want you guys to use this thing anymore. And at the dying minute, you want to frustrate the person. You go pay tire. Enugu State Government cannot mess up reserve ministry like that. And now, some group of people from there are trying to say, no arranging. They are the ones that are arranging this one, that one. Okay, let's say, God forbid. All those mothers I saw that are trying to jump the fence, climb the gate. No one seba hoda or maya for na those gate stuff. More dear or ya kaganako. Let's say the way people are much trying to force themselves in. No way me and we stampede like people are more or collapse or this rubbish kayanako no way an order only send an order for them not to use that stadium again. After all those payments, after all the weeks of preparation, who is the motherfucker? Who is the person that gave the fucking order? Who is he? Also, there will be governor. He has no right. As far as the ministry paid in full and you guys gave them approval letter, he have no right to come out at the dying minute and tell them not to use the stadium. It's not making any sense. You say this case, you say no first, oh no, like this one, he go chukuna. That is if the ministry want to take it serious. Anyways, I know evangelist say, "Because let's move on, let's move on." But for me, no, they should not move on anything. He shouldn't listen to all these clergy or men of God that are trying to call him. Evangelist say, "Because you know small now, you know small." And when you call these people, they claim, they might senior you by age. They might be there before you, 30 years, 40 years, but currently in the game, you know small, unless you don't know who you are or you don't know what you got. You should always do your thing. Let's call that spade a spade. If Enugu State Government, the commissioner of sports or whoever body be in charge of that stadium, the ministry go up to 60 million naira or close to, and they gave approval letter through a lawyer or a son or whatever, through the person had the approval letter. They have an explanation to give to the ministry and the general public regarding this nonsense that happened last weekend. 2 days now, we make it 1 week. Still, nobody have said anything. Okay, after paying close to 60 million naira to arrange for an event, at the dying minute, you guys want to unsettle me. You guys want to mess me emotionally, psychologically, and otherwise. Now, why the governors? Now, why the people? Kelly Chionia, Biko came as if that the stadium free Kenya here, except they gave the ministry that stadium free. You free, I got you off man now. Except they gave the ministry that stadium freely. How we right? You hear what I right to? Maybe at the time say, I don't want you guys to use it again. But as far as these people paid in full and spend time to announce this thing, it's not as if it's an urgent something. Then at the dying minute, you want to frustrate me? You see, in this life, anybody that want to frustrate me, give their frustration. So for me, they have an explanation to give the general public, especially someone like me. I want to know who gave the order. I really want to know who gave the fucking order. You feel me? The ministry, negative. You have some job to do. I'm not gonna teach you your job. You know, you guys know more than me. But the only problem here is don't worry, because happier. But kinda happier. The more these people will keep messing you up. It's high time to act. More from here.